Welcome. In this video I will show you how to keep your LENOVO V15 from sleeping. To keep your device from sleeping, you have to right click the battery icon on the status bar or on the taskbar, go to power and sleep settings. Now go to screen sleep and hibernate timeouts, and here you can change options for both plugged in or on battery modes. And basically, to make your device never sleep, you have to select this make my device sleep after and change this 5 minutes value to never. Then you can do this both for plugged in and on battery mode in the very same way. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.